What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Car Break and Nail, getting ready for a early bird time zone break. We got a new product, Premier, just came out. Bedard Premier 23-24, big rookie class, big product, usually second biggest product of the year, right after the Cup. We're looking at half of a case here. You're looking at two 10-boxers. We're doing 5 boxes, so we're gonna pop one of these open, figure out which one in a second. But here's your teams. This was random teams. We got pick your team and more random coming up for later tonight. We'll be breaking this stuff all night. But this is the first look at it, and enjoy. Should be some of the first collectors in the hobby checking this out. Michael, St. Louis. Ryan, Minnesota. Chad, Rangers. Michael, Seattle. Gerard, Arizona. Colorado. Greg, Carolina. Mark, Islanders. Blake, Montreal. Jay, Boston. Scott, New Jersey. Gerard, Winnipeg. Jeff, Ottawa. Jared, Anaheim. Jordan, Vegas. Darren got Chicago. Good luck with that. Jay, Pittsburgh. Craig, Dallas. Rob, Vancouver. Stephen, Philly. Blake, Washington. Brad, Detroit. Gerard, Toronto. Stephen, Edmonton. Christopher, San Jose. Oh my God. Excuse me. Ryan, Tampa Bay. Mark, Calgary. Kurt, Florida. Michael, Buffalo. Cole, LA. Ryan, Nashville. And Jeff is Columbus. There's your teams. Now, I'm going to figure out which one of these cases we're going to do. 1, 2, 3 on the dice roll. We'll do the top. 4, 5, 6. We'll do the bottom. 4, 5, 6. Bottom case it is. Put this one away for later tonight. Now I've got to figure out which 5 boxes we're doing here. Sealed 10-box case of Premier. And same thing. 1, 2, 3. This stack. 4, 5, 6. This stack. Feel free to get your one-on-one guesses in the comments. 4. Again, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there's 4. And here is number 5. That's our 5. I'm going to read you the numbers off these ones because we are probably going to be breaking some of this later tonight. Just want to make sure we're breaking the other side of this case. 861, 7861 on the tag, 7865, 7860, 1142, and we got 7866. All right. 5 boxes Premier. Good luck. Enjoy. It's my favorite product. Favorite product of the year. Cup quality, not cup prices. Sitting pack there. And here we go, 5-box case. The store's open in a half hour. We're going to have some of this stuff on the shelf for sale. And we're going to be breaking a ton of it tonight too, so keep an eye out. Pick your team and random cases post in a day. Random will be the same price, obviously. Pick a team. Everybody's going to be a different price. I'm not sure if we're going to price up Chicago or maybe give them away, but we'll see. Maybe we'll do one-on-one. We'll check it out. But pick your team is coming up later. Here we go, folks. Good luck. Matt Boldy starting us off for the Minnesota Wild. 288 at 299. Autograph, Dallas rookie, Matt Murray. On card auto. Holy moly. All right, we're going to have to switch stacks here for a sec, folks. That caught me off guard. It's too early in the morning for that. We got 34-35, Cale Makar, Colorado. Damn. Monster card coming up. 34 or 35. Give me a sec. I got to run it and grab some top loaders. I'm going to grab a one-touch real fast, too. All right, let's keep it rolling. Rookie Premier Slap Shots. Boston Bruins. Nice looking card. Boston is Jay. Number 199, Connor Zary. Calgary Flames, 166 of 199. Premier rookie. What a wild start to the case. Here's an RPA. Actually, it's just a PA. Patch auto for Yegor, 4 of 10, New Jersey Devils. New Jersey, Scott. Low numbered, 4 of 10. 2-color patch. After that, number 225. Check out that patch-tacular. 1, 2, 3 color patch. Chest logo patch. 6 of 25. Nice looking card for Philly. Philly is Steven. Jason Robertson, Premier Jersey card for the Dallas Stars. Matthew Barzal, 23 of 35. Islanders, we got back-to-back Islanders. This one's autographed. Ilya Sorokin. New York Islanders it is. That's Mark. On card, Sorokin. And rookie, Laferriere, number to 199, LA Kings. So that was the end of one box and the start of another there that time. Premier Rookie Focus. This is a nice looking card too. Good looking set. 6 of 49. Washington Capitals. That's a pretty looking card. Washington is Blake. Nice patch. Nice design. I like what I'm seeing here so far. The best is yet to come, so stick around. Nice little patch here. 10 gold patch for Minnesota. We got Kirill Kaprizov. 6 of 10. Minnesota, Ryan. Nice patch. Six of 10. Sharp looking cards here. And last one in this stack anyway, Trevor Zegras. Premier Attractions. Now, we got a monster card here sitting on the top of this stack, so I'm going to put it behind. We'll check it out last. You'll see why shortly. But nice little case here so far, but we're going to be finishing with a bang. Nice patch. Boston Bruins, 18 of 49. Rookie, John Beecher. Joel Eriksson Ek back to Minnesota again. Jersey card. And Dallas Stars Wyatt Johnston. $2.99. Running out of hits here. We got a bit of box and a half left. Or maybe 2 boxes or so. Columbus Blue Jackets Premier 8 of 10. Boone Jenner. Boone Jenner 8 of 10. Lots of low numbered cards kicking around here so far. And then Luke Phillip. Not the Blackhawk we're looking for. So remember, keep your eyes peeled for today. We're going to be posting more breaks of this. Pick your team is going to be posting next. I would say that'll be posting sometime this afternoon. And then another random break just like this. Super rookie. Love this set always. 82 of 99. Ridley Grigg. Ottawa Senators. Ottawa's Jeff. Jeff had his first break with us last night. Done very well for himself. And here he is, break number 2. Hit number 2. Just like that. Ridley Grigg. Here's Dustin Wolf. Rookie jersey. Matt Murray again. Back-to-back goalies. And Dylan Larkin. $2.99. The pick your team break will be out of a fresh case, and the random break will be the other side of the pick your team. Matt Murray. Ooh, nice. Jason Zucker. Coyotes. Jason Zucker. How about Hugh McGing? St. Louis Blues rookie. Beauty card coming up here too. Redemption. First redemption we've seen coming up. Let's check the other ones behind it first. We got the St. Louis Blues quad. Thompson. That's Buffalo, sorry. Tage Thompson. Owen Power. Dylan Cousins. Alex Tuck. 7 of 15. St. Louis, and back to Ridley Grigg, Ottawa Senators, rookie jersey. 2 nice hits to finish up here. One is much bigger than the other, but check them out. Both great. Redemption. Excuse me. Premier Acetate Rookie Auto Patch Gold. Damn, all right. I was underselling this card a little bit. I'm not going to lie, but check this one out. So this is the gold patch auto numbered to 65. Boom! Brock Faber. Nice. I saw the name and I knew it was going to be a patch auto. I didn't see the gold part of it, but yeah, that's a big card right there. Congrats, Minnesota. Hell yeah. Minnesota is Ryan Norris. Had a couple nice hits already. Brock Faber. Nice hitty, man. And check this one out, guys. Absolutely gorgeous card. Monster. I got to sneak another look at it here. One sec. Oh my God, that is sickening. Disgusting. Somebody's going to be happy here this morning. What a way to start your day. All right, check this bad boy out. As nice as that Faber is, this is 10 times as nice. We got a patch auto 12 of 15. Ready? Boom! Connor McDavid! 12 of 15. Patch popping out of the window. Hell yeah. Boom! What a way to start the day. Damn. Great looking product. Enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys did too. I know Stephen Abbott did. Big hit for Edmonton. Wow. Gorgeous. Congrats, Edmonton, 12 of 15 to finish up the break. That is it for now. We'll be back to see you guys tonight. There's going to be a pick your team break and a random break posting later today, so keep your eyes peeled for those. I don't think they're going to last too long. Premier is always a popular product, and from what we just saw, it's looking real nice. Thanks again. Enjoy your day. Congrats to the hitters. Don't forget, go big or go home. Peace.